Hi there from Bugeye Guys, and welcome to a driving tour of a Bugeye we call Callie. It came from California, that's why. And this is a somewhat patinaed car, but a very solid car, a nice car. And it has a 1275 engine and front disc brakes. I'll take you for a drive on a nice twisty road near our shop and down by the beach near our shop on Long Island Sound. You might notice the tachometer is not reading correctly. It's not 7,000 RPMs. And you can have a lot of fun with this car. It's really fun to drive. It has new tires and it grips quite well, and it has a nice ride quality for a Bugeye. It's, supple rubber makes a big difference. You can have a lot of fun through these turns. I wanted to also mention I double clutch a couple times, downshifting through these gears, but you can definitely shift without double clutching. It's just something I do by habit, but it's not required. It's a good sound rib case gearbox. And there I am putting on the parking lights for more visibility. And that was a double clutch downshift into third. And that was a non-double clutch downshift in the third, just to demonstrate the synchros are really good in this gearbox. I was thinking I didn't want a viewer to think that it wasn't a good gearbox, but it is. The tachometer is from a later sprite, so that's why it's not working properly or reading accurately. And as you can see, you can have a lot of fun bombing around and zooming around the turns and just enjoying this very simple and very wonderful 1960 sports car. And this car is perfect for someone who doesn't want to be too fussy cosmetically. It does have beautiful seats. We wanted the interior to be nice so that you could take your date out for a drive and they'd be comfortable. It has good foam in the seats. It's quite comfortable. And but very nice to drive with sort of cosmetics that are weathered from a long life in California, which is where we got the car, as I said earlier. That's the horn button on the right to the left of the radio. And yeah, a tachometer can be addressed with a new original one, but the generator that's in the car doesn't have a tach drive. They've had, or we could put in an alternator and one of our new electronic tachs if you prefer that. But these are the kinds of options and things that we would go through with the new owner. I just wanted you to get a sense for how much fun this car is to drive, and so thank you for coming for a drive with me now, and we really appreciate it. The car is also shown with no hubcaps. We thought it looked kind of appropriate, but we also have the original chrome hubcaps if you prefer those. And there off to the right is the Thimble Islands, which is a really nice feature off of our area in Branford, Connecticut, and I'm down at the beach now, so that pretty much concludes our drive, and thanks for checking out this car at Bugeye Guys.